Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Bamboo CI, manage continuous integration builds step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Bamboo CI. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Bamboo CI login page. Once the page loads, locate the username field. Enter your username associated with your Bamboo CI account. Next, find the password field directly beneath the username. Input your password carefully, ensuring there are no typos. After verifying your credentials, locate the Login button. Click on the Login button to proceed to your dashboard. If you've entered the correct information, you should be redirected to your project's overview. In case of an authentication error, double-check your username and password. If you still face issues, consider resetting your password using the Forgot Password feature. Follow the prompts provided to regain access to your account. Once logged in, you can manage your continuous integration builds effectively. Explore the various options available in the dashboard to get started with your projects. Familiarize yourself with the user interface for efficient navigation. You are now ready to utilize Bamboo CI to streamline your build processes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.